Alright. So, let's pack. Let's go. Dang if it's not beautiful. Just wondering, how is it so... Whoa. What's this?
I don't know. Hey, let's keep going.
Why does this look new? Wait, Nathan, which way should we go? I think we should go this way.
No. Looks more traily.
Alright.
That's ever.
So,
I mean, look at that view.
wow. That's beautiful, right? Just wondering because... Imagine something like stalking us from up there. Like, Nathan. Look, up there.
Oh, look at all this. What is this? No, over here.
What the? That's weird. It might just be people like...
Oh, for now.
Yeah,
They're like,
exactly. So, I don't think like... Oh!
probably frog or something.
Yeah. Wait, a frog would make that big of a splash.
Bullfrog.
The heck's a bullfrog?
Frogs are about this big.
Dang, look at those Crocs. My gosh, you need to actually get shoes on.
What in that warning cover? This one is like the same amount as this one.
It's weird.
Look, put on this. But
I'm gonna seriously trip. Huh. It's beautiful.
oh yeah.
What? Whoa.
Let's go.
Why is there such a big platform?
I don't know. It's like a scream. It's like a shriek.
Well, that's weird.
Ignore it. What? Oh, it's turn off here. You gotta take
Wait,
it.
no, hold on. There's just a nice platform right here.
Yeah. Hey, let's go. The trail is right here.
Alright. Also, I wrote the notebook. So, you know if it's true, right?
I don't know.
Yeah. Hold on. I need to get one last shot. Why is stuff happening already?
Everything's like falling from the ground.
Everything is like falling apart.
Okay, let's continue.
That's weird. Huh. What? What? Anyway, so I want to get a couple of real quick shots. Alright. Dang, those things are a trampoline.
Alright, let me get it.
Yeah.
Woo.
Dang. Alright. That's what does it sound like?
Sound like a call.
Yeah.
Like a deer or something.
Might have been a stag.
Yeah.
What was that?
I don't know.
It sounded like a call like a stag.
Like an elk.
Yeah. Wait, do you want to put up security cameras?
I guess.
I mean, we have to put in like secret, but
Yeah.
it's gonna look pretty weird. All right, let's
Oh,
put
yeah.
on some security cameras.
What is this?
That's weird. All right. Isn't it weird?
Yeah. What's that?
Fine. Here, do you want? Let's continue on the trail.
Alright.
Careful.
Hey, what?
All right. On the trail. Let's get moving. Alright. What is that noise?
That's like a gunshot PTSD.
Yeah, that's weird. Alright, which way are we taking?
The trail.
Whoa. This little tiny river. It's weird.
It's all dried out.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Why are there like gunshots? All right. No. Let me see the journal. Let me see your journal real quick. Alright, hold on. Well, I'm wondering.
Oh! Flip that page. No,
What?
no, no. Go. Doesn't this look like that?
No.
Huh, no, look. See? Right here. And right here.
Hold on. Compare it.
Oh, no, we gotta go back here. This is where we would get the best angle. Alright. So, see this part right here?
Yeah.
It's like this. And this top part, see, it curves. Right over here.
Good point, but then what's this?
I don't know.
Yeah, weird. It's just some things aren't lining up. Alright then. We shall continue. Alright. Look at all these big. Dang.
We're very high up.
Wait a minute.
What?
You saw it. Right there.
What?
I don't know. Hold on, let's investigate that. I don't think that's that natural.
Well, look at it now. Oh, yeah, we're really high up.
Oh, oh, this is scary now. All right. Look how flat this is. Wait a minute. Come here. I need to see some in the journal. Alright.
What?
That? Doesn't that kind of look like that? Because there's a tree right next to it. Like that.
Uh-huh.
And there's 2 trees right there.
Oh, good point. Here you go.
That's weird. I mean, there's been plenty of straight lines, but wait, Nathan.
Oh.
There's like stuff on the ground. Look. It's all messed up here.
Mm.
I want us to look there.
Yeah.
Like there.
There's like patches.
Must have been like a struggle or something. Look how dead this forest was.
Yeah. I mean, we are very high up.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Yeah, that's
There's
weird.
a chair.
Yeah. Maybe that's where the Wendigo sits on. He's contemplating his thoughts. Yeah, hold on. I mean,
And there's
wait. Something. I don't know. It
looks like skid
someone,
marks.
looks like someone was dragged here. I can imagine like him like this.
Yeah.
It's weird. Look at the view.
Whoa.
Wait. Wait. Right there.
Where?
Right there. It's gone.
Oh wait, whoa. Look at this. There's a lookout point.
Careful.
Holy cow. Eli, look at this.
Careful, Nathan.
Oh my. Eli. Is that breathtaking or is that breathtaking?
Wait.
What?
Wait. Isn't this where the... It felt like where I heard the sound. Or where we heard like that call.
I could just imagine a zip line starting from here going all the way down there.
Yeah. Anyway, what do you think this is where it... Which is...
I don't know.
Because it's very worn down. And it looks like a perfect spot.
Yeah.
This is getting weirder and
Oh, look at that.
weirder.
Hole in the tree.
I'm telling you, this is getting weirder and weirder. Don't trip. My gosh, that's the last thing we want.
Oh, look, another bench.
Guess Wendigo likes sitting a lot.
Yeah. Maybe getting a hard workout of.
Wait, you didn't realize there's a lot of like dead big trees.
Yeah. A lot of them have white marks on them.
Yeah. I don't know what that means.
Look at this, a little drop. Oh, this would be fun to bike down.
Wouldn't it?
Huh, take this. I need to do something. Alright. Ooh, hey, look at this. It's like cinder blocks. Right here. What? What?
Like, run up against a tree.
I don't know. Now we're like back down to ground level.
Yeah.
I like being up high.
Probably die. Well, let's continue. Look.
And I could just
This
imagine
thing
me
is-
falling through this
Yeah.
giant crack right here.
That would be good.
Alright, let's go.
Wouldn't it? Yeah.
Hey, look, cinder blocks.
It's weird. You should probably not touch them. No, they probably got like herpes on them. Not gonna assume that. Anyway,
Oh, look at this bent tree.
that's weird. So, ooh, drop the journal. What do you think, like, why here?
I don't know.
That's weird. Don't know if I like it.
I heard that.
Okay. Something's...
Look, there's a tree in the middle of the trail.
Yeah, it better not fall.
Yep.
So, why have we only heard one of those calls?
I don't know.
No, this is weird. This is getting real weird. Huh. Look at all these trees. Wait,
It's very foresty.
no, why are all of those trees like down in one place?
Oh, I don't know.
What is going on around here?
There's a
So-
lot of pine trees that are down. Oh, yes. Alright, let's continue.
Well, look at all those trees. They
Yeah.
look out of place. I wonder why we keep hearing like throwing and like knocking. You know, it gets more dead
Yeah.
the more we go.
Well, yeah, it's starting to get like dark out.
Yeah.
At least it's supposed to. Oh, no, I see people over there.
That's weird. Wonder why it's so like.
Oh,
What was that? Was that a gunshot?
I don't know. It sounded like
Avoid the gunshots. Wait, horse trail.
Oh.
That's
Yeah,
weird.
let's go.
Come on, let's go on the horse trail.
It's getting late. This is gonna take us somewhere we don't want to go.
It doesn't even matter. Anyway, so
You know what time it is?
yeah, it's like 5. That's weird. Anyway,
Wait, it just takes us over to there.
yeah.
That's all.